Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another hair tutorial. And today's tutorial is going to be featuring Julia's hair. The last two bundles, which is a 20-inch and a 22-inch. And we're back with a ponytail tutorial. As always, y'all know I love my ponytail tutorials. So what we're doing here is an extended ponytail with two sides, which is a bang, but two sides of bang. But don't forget to go check them out in the description right below, and I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. I'll show a extended ponytail in so many videos, y'all, so you can actually just watch this video and see what my mom did. She already pre-gelled it up and put the ponytail, the braided hair, onto my ponytail to make it long, to extend it. So we featured Julia's hair in another tutorial, which was an extended ponytail, which was two ponytails, but now we're doing the same thing again. So you can go off reference from that video. I will leave it up in this video or down the description right below, and it's just basically the bang is switched and the ponytail is more higher. So it's all the same thing, but it's a different style of ponytail. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go check Julia's hair in the description right below, and I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.